Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast.
Hi. Nice to meet you all.
My name is Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Today, we talk about learning English.
Yes. Learning English from A1 level.
A1, the beginning of everything.
Yes. The first step.
Like baby steps.
Yes. Baby steps are good.
Anna, what is A1 English?
A1 is beginner level.
Beginner level, very beginner?
Yes. Very beginner.
For people who say English is hard?
Haha. Yes. For those people?
So very basic English?
Yes. Basic words and short sentences.
No long grammar.
No. Not now.
Good. I like that. Why should people start from A1?
Because A1 is the foundation.
Foundation means basic,
Yes. Very basic English.
like learning the alphabet.
Yes. Alphabet, greetings, simple words.
So we don't jump too fast.
Exactly.
Good. Jumping is dangerous.
Haha. Yes.
What greetings do we learn in A1?
We learn hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And goodbye.
Goodbye. But not now.
Haha. Not yet.
Introducing yourself is important, right?
Yes. Very important.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Hello. My name is Anna.
Nice and easy. Hi. My name is Tom.
Perfect.
I sound very confident.
Yes. Very confident, Tom.
What else do we learn in A1?
We learn to talk about country.
Country like Singapore?
Yes. I am from Singapore.
Simple sentence.
Yes. Very simple.
What about jobs?
Yes. Jobs too.
Like teacher?
Yes. I am a teacher. I am a student.
Easy to remember.
Yes. No stress.
Do A1 learners talk about daily activities?
Of course.
Like morning routines?
Yes. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Oh no. 6 a.m.
Haha. Yes. Early.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go home.
Simple daily life.
Do we talk about feelings in A1?
Yes.
Like happy,
Yes. Happy.
sad,
Yes.
tired,
Very common.
hungry?
Always hungry.
Me too. How should people study English at A1?
Study little by little.
Not 5 hours a day?
No. That's too much.
10 minutes.
Yes. 10 minutes is good.
What about listening?
Listening is very important.
Like listening to podcasts? Good answer. Any message for A1 learners?
Don't be afraid.
Don't give up.
Practice every day.
Even 10 minutes?
Yes. Every day is better than one long day.
I like that. Okay, everyone. That's our podcast today.
Thank you for listening.
Keep learning English.
Start from A1 and enjoy it.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.